channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Yay, it's Friday. So I am super excited. As you can see from the description, we have a new subscription to unbox, and I cannot wait to dive in here and share this with you guys. It is Thrift-A-Bag. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it first. It is a super awesome subscription. The owner ever so kindly did send me this box to share with you guys and review, but I want to give you guys, like I said, some information about the subscription. Thrift-A-Bag will include 3 authentic pre-owned handbags for $45 a month. All the pre-owned handbags are cleaned thoroughly before shipping, and the pre-owned cost value ranges from $75 to $150. And we're talking about Coach, Michael Kors, Vera Bradley, Nine West, you know, just Dooney and Burke, some really, really great quality purses. And a little bit about her, the owner of the company. She actually, and I think this is really neat, she does sell purses and items on eBay. She does have a 100% power seller rating. That is amazing. She's been doing it for a little over 3 years, and it started for her as a hobby, for her love of designer handbags and thrifting, and just it grew from there. What I'm gonna also do, she ever so kindly did also give me a coupon code to give to you guys. I do not get any commission or anything from it. It is just for you guys. If you would like to try the subscription, like I said, it is $45 a month, but for 3 designer bags, that is not a bad price. But if you want to use the code SNMOM, so like Southern Mom, SNMOM, you will get $5 off your first month. So you get it for $40. So that's just a little over $10 a bag. So that is absolutely amazing. And I will make sure to link her Cratejoy site for the subscription in the down below to get you guys over there again, as well as the coupon code. So we are gonna dive in here and we're gonna look and see what I got. I did go ahead and open like with the box cutter because the box is so big, but it's beautiful. And as you can see, it says Thrift-A-Bag. So I am super excited to see what is in here and show it to you guys. I just think this is so awesome. I love designer purses. I'm currently using a Michael Kors purse. So this is what it looks like when you open it. So there is a card on top. Oh, and it says what's included, so we're not gonna peek. Not just yet. Oh, I'm sorry, camera's shaking. It does say, this is really neat and nice. I've also included a gift bag just in case you decide to gift a bag from your box. I hope you enjoy your box. So yeah, she includes a cute little gift bag in the box in case one of the products, you know, maybe quite isn't your style, or, you know, you just, hey, there's 3 purses. If you got a friend with a birthday coming up, get yourself 2 and give your friend a birthday present. So we are just going to, now we can see it's very nicely packed and everything is safe and secure. So we are gonna go ahead and just see. So this is the first one I am grabbing. We are gonna see what it is. I think this is so awesome. You know, I mean, obviously I love subscriptions, you guys know this, but to find something like this that is so different and so unique, and you know, it's designer brands. It's not, you know, unknown brands. Oh, this is pretty. This is super pretty, and I love this color for fall. It's 9 West. You can see right there. And it's definitely leather. Oh, okay. Oh. Alright, so it could be used kind of as a crossbody. That is really awesome. Or you can fold that up and use it kind of as a clutch. So that is nice. You guys, can you see how light the inside is and how clean it is? You can see the 9 West tag. So you've got the big section here. And then if you kind of tuck this to use it more as like a clutch or a wristlet, it's got that little section. You guys, this is clean as well. And this feels like real leather. So let's take a look. 9 West Tunnel Mini Crossbody / Clutch Handbag. You guys, this is super, super cute. And like I said, the color is perfect for fall. And you guys, I do not see any wear and tear on this bag at all. I mean, it looks brand new. I mean, even the 9 West is super shiny. So that is awesome. I love that. That right there would have been enough for me. That purse is gorgeous. So let's see what else we've got. Okay. Feel something a little bigger, so I'm saving that for last. All right. Now let's see if I can just figure out how to open it. Oh, that works. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Are you kidding me? Coach Signature Black Jacquard Wristlet. Look, you guys, that is so pretty. I love this. Just go about your business. And again, there is absolutely no sign of wear and tear. It's got the little Coach thing here. The inside is spotless. Oh, you guys, and you see the Coach right here. Y'all, my mind is just blown away right now. Like, these are amazing. Okay. Now let's see what the final item is. Like I said, I can tell it's a little bit bigger. So this is it. Y'all. Oh my goodness. It's like she knew me perfectly. You guys. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me right now? It is a Michael Kors purse. And I love it because the one I'm currently using is like brown and tan. So now I can use black. This is, oh my gosh, it's got pockets back here on the back. 2 pockets here. And then 2 zipper pockets here on the front. Oh my goodness. I mean, even down to like the MK, it's in perfect condition. Guys, look at the bottom of this purse. Not one bit, not one single sign that this purse has ever been used. And there's a compartment inside right here, as well as a zipper part. And then 2 pockets here on the side. You can see, and again, the inside is immaculate. You guys. Michael Kors Kempton Signature Jet Set Tote Bag. You guys, are you for real? Like, this is amazing. I am like so super tickled right now. Michael Kors, Coach, and 9 West. You guys, if you love purses and you love designer purses, but you don't love those designer price tags, yeah, definitely Thrift-A-Bag is for you without a doubt. I mean, it is just, not only are they designer bags, you get 3, and I like the variety. You've got your big purse, you just want to head out, and then, you know, you're just gonna head out, but you need just a little bit more. Oh my gosh, y'all, I mean, it is just, oh my goodness, this is amazing. They all look brand new, not a single scuff, rip, tear, or anything. Like I said, absolutely look brand new. The inside of all of them is pristine. It is absolutely amazing. So I highly recommend, like I said, especially if you love purses and you love designer purses, you cannot go wrong. $45 for these 3 bags, not anywhere else. And like I said, I've got the code to give you guys, SNMOM, and I'll get you $5 off, so your first box will be $40. So I'm like literally almost speechless. Like, these purses are gorgeous. Obviously, Coach, Michael Kors, 9 West, and it's a variety which I love. So yes, the link to her site will be down below, and the coupon code as well to get you $5 off. So I cannot recommend enough that you guys, you know, click the link, use the code, get you a box for $40. You cannot beat it. And especially since, like I said, she sends the gift bag, you could keep 2 of them for yourself. Here's a Christmas present, or even keep 1 and there's 2 Christmas presents. It's just amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I know I certainly did. I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful day. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and click that button. We'd love to have you join our family here. Otherwise, I will see you guys with the next video, and have an absolutely amazing Friday. Bye.